Hello friends, in today's lecture we are going to learn about pointers in C++. What is pointer? Pointer is actually a derived data type. It holds the memory address of another variable, because pointer is that variable which do not have any specific value, but what it will do, it will acquire the memory location of that variable that we are declaring. So it is very easy to use pointers, and pointer has its own advantages in C++, like it allows to pass variables, arrays, functions, strings, structures, object as a function arguments. Then it allows to return structured variable from functions. Third, it supports dynamic allocation and deallocation of memory segments, which is very important, because if we want to allocate some memory to the variable, we can allocate it by using just pointer, which is already declared. Then next advantage, by using pointers, variable can be swapped without physically moving them. So no need of actual changing of variable, just we can change their positions, that is memory locations, and we can swap the variables. And last, pointer is used to establish link between data elements or objects. That virtue we are seeing after looking classes, but the most important thing is that it holds the memory address or location of the variable which we are declaring. Now how to declare pointer? During declaring pointer we use two operators. One is asterisk mark, that is using for multiplication, and another is ampersand sign, that is shorthand and. So syntax for using pointer is data type, then asterisk marks and variable name. For example, int asterisk marks x, or float int asterisk marks y, or pointer 1, pointer 2, whatever name you can put, that follows the same rules that follows the variable name. And data type is integer, float, double, character, etc. And that ampersand sign, it is called as address operator. It is operator which returns the address of the variable that pointer holds. Suppose in pointer it holds address of x, then it will return the value of address in that expression. Both are unary operator used in pointers. So these are given here, advantages and disadvantages of pointers. There are some disadvantages also. Uninitialized pointers might cause segmentation fault. That is, if we are initialize pointer and left it as it is, then it cause a problem like segmentation, that it segmented the memory. Then dynamically allocated block needs to be freed explicitly, because once we declare the pointer, it acquires some memory. Okay, so these are very important things about the pointers in C++. In next two clips I will show you how that pointers are used actually in program. Thank you.